All right, guys, here we have a 2015 Dodge Charger. This is the front passenger side. Let's just remove it from the backing paper. We've already cleaned off this light using our prep spray. You want to make sure and get all the way in the cracks and behind it because it is a side marker and these tires end up throwing up quite a bit of crud. See, the first thing I do is line up right here, then line up the bottom. Now I want the overlay just to be touching the white plastic. The reason for this is it's going to actually tuck around the back. You'll notice there's extra flapping over right here. Next, we're going to want to apply heat, get the vinyl nice and warm, and use our hand to start rolling it around into the wheel well. You don't want to make one motion when you do that. You want to use your hand and kind of roll it around to help the vinyl go around and not crease. Next, we'll just make sure that the edges are applied. Using heat and a squeegee. You want long-term success. You can also use the squeegee and push the overlay behind the wheel well. And there you go. That's a completed installation, the side marker on a Dodge Charger.